everybody. Thanks for stopping by and checking my channel out. This is my very first video and it's a bit intimidating for sure. I don't know how this will turn out, but I hope that it turns out well. So I just kind of wanted to give you an introduction of myself. My name is Liz and my channel is called Let's Try It Lizzie. So the reason that I chose that title, let me start off by saying, is because I like to try a lot of things. And I got bored one day and I decided, I need to do something. I need to do something. And it's not like I just picked up some, random thing and decided, okay, this is what I'm going to do. It started off because my godmother was having her 50th birthday party and she said, hey, Liz, I'm going to have my party and I want you to help me decorate. So I said, okay, sure. So of course I got straight on Pinterest and I was like, what can I do? So we had to figure out the theme, the color scheme, and figure out what we wanted to do and what kind of decorations. So I saw these beautiful paper flowers and I thought, that looks pretty easy. I think I can make that myself. And that's really what started it. I started tracing these flowers, like I drew them myself and I cut them all out and I was tracing patterns, gluing everything together, and I was watching YouTube channels to see how to make them, of course, because I had no idea. But I thought to myself, this can't be that hard, right? So, of course, everybody had like cutting machines, like the Cricut or the Silhouette or something, and I thought I don't have that stuff. And then I went online to check and see how much this stuff costs, and I'm like, dang, I don't have that kind of money. So of course you don't need a cutting machine to cut. You can cut with scissors. So that's what I did. And I drew my own patterns and I cut them with my scissors and I glued them with my hot glue and bam, I did it. And they came out very beautiful in the beginning. And once I did it that first time, it was just like I felt like a pro afterwards. So that was the first project that I started doing. And after that, I was just like, getting asked by a lot of my friends, hey Liz, can you make me some for this? Can you, I'm having a baby shower. Can you do some for my baby shower? And so I thought, yeah, why not? Not a problem. And I actually invested on getting a Cricut. I thought, yeah, how much easier would this be? My hands were hurting so much. I actually had my fiance help me cut these flowers, and we don't all cut the same. And they were, just a little crooked here and there, and they weren't perfect. So I thought, man, these machines are going to cut these flowers really perfect, because once your hands get tired, you just don't want to cut anymore. So that's what I was thinking. I'm like, I kind of want to get this Cricut. It kind of is expensive, but I've been doing a whole bunch. So I decided, why not? Let's get this Cricut. So this Cricut was the best thing that happened to me, that I discovered for myself. It has kept me super busy doing a bunch of stuff, and then also once I got this machine, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna make myself a page for my crafts, which is Let's Try It Lizzie. So I have it on Facebook, I have it on Instagram, and I post everything that I make on there. And I pretty much make a lot of those things from my Cricut, and I use my Cricut a lot. And I love it. It's amazing. So needless to say, I got into this because I was bored and I wanted to try to do new stuff. Now, if I see stuff, I'm like, I can make that, I can do that myself, or I can at least try and see if I can or not. And it's definitely a trial and error, and it has not been easy to make stuff, and I mess up and start all over. But so far, I have not given up on anything that I have tried. So ideally, what I would want this channel is for people to give me kind of like ideas of what to try to make next. And if I have the supplies, I will try it. If not, we'll see. I just might not. So Anyways, that's what my channel is about. It's just about me trying different things, and seeing if I can do them or not, and kind of, recording my process throughout the way, hopefully teaching some people how to make stuff and teaching myself how to make stuff. Like, for example, this YouTube video. Oh my goodness. This is hard. This is a lot of work. Like, props to YouTubers, because editing videos and adding music and doing like all this voiceovers. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of work. So props to you guys. Like, that's a full-time job. This has definitely taken me a long time. I'm not a professional, so my videos are going to be pretty jacked up. And if you have any helpful tips for me, please let me know, and I would greatly appreciate it. That's pretty much the introduction of this channel. It's me showing you guys what I've tried, hopefully giving you guys instructions on how to make stuff, and kind of trial and error kind of thing. If anything, like, I hope that you guys enjoy it. So it's all fun, and this is just something else that I've added to my list to do, and something that I'm trying to make. So I'm making a YouTube channel, checking it off my list. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks again for watching. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, share. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys. I hope y'all enjoy.
And that's about the time she walked away from me.